Welcome to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today, we're gonna make some smoked turkey. Got the offset going. It's warming up right now. I made this charcoal basket out of some expanded metal and had a friend help me weld it up and cut and stuff. But I have some Royal Oak lump charcoal going today. I fill the basket about 3/4 of the way full, and then I top it off with a lit chimney full of charcoal, and it helps start the rest of it up. During startup, you want to make sure that your vents are all the way open. On my intake side, I leave this all the way open, and then on my chimney, I close it just a little bit. I find that it drafts a little better. This has been burning for about a half an hour. The coals look okay. They've burned down some, so I'm actually going to add a little bit of extra charcoal to help my fuel supply last. This will last me about 4 to 5 hours. So I got a cherry split right there. I got some apple wood, some pecan, and I sprinkled the rest of the hickory that I had left on there. I'm gonna get this going pretty good, and I'm gonna shut the lid, and we'll get ready to cook. I'll show you guys some gadgets that I've picked up for the offset that I really like. This is a ThermoWorks Thermapen Mark IV. You might have seen this on multiple big name barbecue videos. And also got this. It's a Bluetooth 4-probe thermometer set, and I can set this up on the offset and monitor temps from inside the house. It's rechargeable, plugs right into the wall, and this one has 4 probes. You can get one that's also 6 probe. So I've brined this turkey for 2 days. I took it out of the brine and left it in the cooler and let it air dry for a few hours to get the skin nice and dry. I'm gonna rub it down with some olive oil, and this is just a mixture of paprika, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder. You wanna leave the salt out of it because the brine has plenty in it and you don't wanna overpower it. So I've washed my hands. I put some olive oil on the turkey, rubbed it down. I'm gonna use one dirty hand and always keep one hand clean. I'm gonna use this for seasoning, but you always wanna make sure that you're mindful of what you touch, especially with poultry. And you don't want to ever cross-contaminate anything because people can get sick by that. So I got some disinfectant wipes, and I'm going to be rubbing this turkey down, getting it seasoned up. And then we're going to get it on the pit. I'm just using this Famous Dave's seasoning bottle because I like the shaker, and helps you redistribute the seasonings pretty evenly. I got the pit coming up to temp right now. The turkey's fairly tall. I don't need this upper rack, so I'm gonna take that out right now. Life hack: when you're ready, but the smoker's not, you break out the big guns. Turkey just went on. I positioned the cavity towards the firebox so the heat and smoke can circulate through it pretty good. I put my meat probe in. I got it in the thickest part of the breast. You want to make sure you don't hit any bone. We're aiming for an internal temp of 165 in the breast and 175 in the thigh. I'm going to shut this down, let the pit come back up to temp, and make sure that my fire is still burning efficiently and clean. Got some flames rolling in the firebox. Some thin blue smoke coming out of the smokestack. This is exactly what you want. It's going to give you a great, clean smoke flavor. I've been trying to cook around 300 recently to get this bird done a little earlier. Let's take a peek.